Hey, Ross.
How you doing?
I'm doing very well.
Are you ready to know everything?
Fill my brain.
Sounds great. Let's do it. Okay, so today I'm going to teach you something. Well, more like I'm going to teach you how to make something. And then I want you to squeeze it while it oozes.
I am a little bit intimidated by that idea.
I think you'll like it.
What on earth are we going to make?
You promise you'll do it?
For you, anything.
Okay, good, because I don't know if you're going to like it. We are going to make slime. Everybody, slime break! Here's what I'm going to make Dad get and what you'll need to. 2 cups of shaving cream. Don't use gel. It doesn't work. Food coloring. 1/2 cup glue. 1/4 teaspoon baking soda. 1 tablespoon saline solution. It has to contain boric acid and sodium borate, but don't really worry about that. Most do.
Where are you getting this shaving cream from?
Well, you see, there might be a teensy bit that's kind of like your shaving cream.
So this slime that has been under my foot, that has been oozing out of my house, that has been tormenting me and making a mess, is stolen out of my own medicine cabinet.
Maybe.
Let's move on. How do I make it?
First, you mix together the shaving cream and a few drops of food coloring. Then stir in the glue and the baking soda. Make sure it's fully blended. Whip in the saline solution for the next step. When the mixture starts to get stringy, you're almost there. Now it's time to get your hands dirty. Knead the slime until it's puffy, fluffy, and soft. Add some more saline solution if your mixture is too sticky. And voila, there you have some awesome, fluffy slime.
I better put away my phone.
Yup.
Ah, the sweet sound of squish.
Mission accomplished. So, how did you like making slime?
I have to admit, it was surprisingly satisfying to watch these simple elements turn into bubblegum pink, sticky, slicky, stretchy slime.
Yes.
And do you know my favorite part?
What was your favorite part?
The last step, where I had to knead it with my fingers and get my hands into the goo and see it form from something a little bit light into something more substantial that I could torment someone else with, maybe.
Yes. Kids like slime because it is so incredibly satisfying and fun to make, and it's a little bit of an adventure in the process. We are freed from the fluffy grasps of the slime. Are you ready for today's poem?
I'm ready for today's poem. What is it?
Today's poem is called Manners. The author is Elizabeth Bishop. My grandfather said to me as we sat on the wagon seat, "Be sure to remember to always speak to everyone you meet." He met a stranger on foot. My grandfather's whip tapped his hat. "Good day, sir, good day, a fine day." And I said it, and I bowed where I sat. Then we overtook a boy we knew with his big pet crow on his shoulder. Always offer everyone a ride, and don't forget that when you get older. My grandfather said, so Willie climbed up with us, but the crow gave a caw and flew off. I was worried. How would he know where to go? But he flew a little way at time from fence post to fence post ahead. And when Willie whistled, he answered. A fine bird, my grandfather said. And he's well brought up. See, he answers nicely when he's spoken to. Manner beast, that's good manners. Be sure that you both always do. When automobiles went by, the dust hid the people's faces, but we shouted, good day, fine day, at the top of our voices. When we came down to Hustler Hill, he said that the mayor was tired, so we all got down and walked, as our good manners required.
That's really sweet. Do you want me to read it too?
Yeah.
Manners by Elizabeth Bishop. My grandfather said to me, as we sat on the wagon seat, be sure to remember to always speak to everyone you meet. We met a stranger on foot. My grandfather's whip tapped his hat. Good day, sir, good day, a fine day. And I said it and bowed where I sat. Then we overtook a boy we knew, with his big pet crow on his shoulder. Always offer everyone a ride. Don't forget that when you get older, my grandfather said. So Willie climbed up with us, but the crow gave a caw and flew off. I was worried. How would he know where to go? But he flew a little way at a time, from fence post to fence post ahead. And when Willie whistled, he answered, a fine bird, my grandfather said. And he's well brought up. See, he answers nicely when he's spoken to. Man or beast, that's good manners. Be sure that you both always do. When automobiles went by, the dust hid the people's faces, but we shouted, good day, fine day, at the top of our voices. When we came to Hustler Hill, he said that the mayor was tired, so we all got down and walked, as our good manners required.
I like that poem.
So you got to be nice to strangers. You got to be nice to friends.
Yeah.
The crow even has good manners. And when the horse you're riding on is tired, what do good manners require?
Good manners require you to get off the horse. And another thing is, I'm imagining that good-mannered crow with a handlebar mustache.
Just because?
Just because he has good manners and he's so fine. Yes.
Sounds lovely to me.
Yeah.
Well, should we try to do that as we go when we see strangers? Should we at least say, good day, fine day?
Or something like that. Maybe hello might work too. Last segment of the show. Do you have a question? A vexing question for me?
Indeed I do. And this is a question I've been thinking about, and I feel like I should know it because it's really simple, but I don't know it, and I need to know it, so you need to go find out and tell me if you would.
Okay.
My question is this. How do clouds stay up in the sky? Aren't they full of water because it rains? How is there something that can keep them up, and yet what's inside them falls down?
Okay, thank you so much for asking that question. And I will go find out. Okay, I'm back. Clouds can stay up in the sky because they are made of water vapor, which is lighter than the air that surrounds it. Since it is less heavy than the air that displaces it, it floats in the sky.
How does it have rain that falls down from it?
Clouds are made up of teeny droplets of rain. Those little teeny droplets build up and get bigger and bigger and bigger until it rains. The cloud can't hold all that water anymore.
I never thought of a single raindrop as a big amount of water, but now I will from now on. Thanks for doing the research, and thanks for letting me know.
My pleasure. You Must Know Everything was produced by me, Rasa Smith, and him, Jeremy Smith. And the amazing music was by Furniture. Please rate, review, and share the show. And please tune in next time for everything you need to know.